And then we have the solid electrode. That's what gives us our current. Comes here, it positively charges the gun. We have negatively charged the workpiece by placing the ground on it. When the wire comes in contact, the wire melts, we start the weld puddle, and we begin the welding process.
And I'm the instructor for the automation welding here at Stanley Community College. We teach students how to program a real robot in real time in a safe, controlled environment. This cell includes a compact robot housing a self-contained mobile enclosure. Also attached to this robot is the PowerWave R350 welder, which you can see here below. This compact multi-process robotic power source is designed for use in robotic welding. The welder provides a fast arc response and over 65 standard welding waveforms for optimized performance.